Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Brian's Badass Reviews. I am excited about today's review. Why? Because I'm always happy to help a brother out. Today we are going to be talking about Rinky Dink Beard Care. What a cool ass name, Rinky Dink Beard Care. Kick the intro! All right, welcome back in everybody. A little bit of channel business out the way real quick. If you haven't done so, I would be hugely honored if you'd consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. New videos coming out pretty much every week, sometimes 2. Sometimes 3. You guys like what's going on in the videos, do me a huge favor. It helps me out a lot if you hit that like button. Today we're going to be talking about a company called Rinky Dink Beard Care. Now if you guys have been following my channel, you know a while back I did a review on a company called Daedalus Beard Care. Now this company is ran by a guy named Keith Osborne. He's getting his feet wet in the business. He's trying to do his thing and he reached out to me. He saw some of my reviews. He's like, hey man, would you mind trying out some of my stuff? I said, yeah man, send it down my way. I'd be more than happy to. Now all these beard reviews and stuff, guys, I always pay for my own stuff. I do not get sent stuff. If I do, it's very rare. It's a mistake. I don't know. But I'm always usually paying for all of my own stuff, and then I'll give you my honest opinion on how I feel. Recently, he reached back out and he was like, hey man, listen, I've kind of went through a little bit of a rebrand here and I've changed my name to Rinky Dink Beard Care. And I was like, well, first of all, that's just a cool ass name. Second of all, yeah man, send me your products, send them my way. I'd love to try them out again. So he sent me a package of goodies and he sent me some of his beard balms and some of his beard oils. And as soon as I opened the box, it wasn't just a little bit of a rebrand, it was a huge rebrand. And I was blown away. Let me just give you a little tour here. So here's his bottle. This is the coffee house bottle. It's a 1 ounce bottle. And his beard oils are gonna cost you $10. His beard balms are gonna cost you $10. They keep it very simple at Rinky Dink Beard Care. Basically, his carrier oils is gonna be sweet almond oil, which is one of the best carrier oils that you can have, and then just essential oils to get those different fragrances. So let's talk about the coffee house real quick. Nice brown bottle. It's got the dropper style cap. Take it out. Whew, it's just like a nice morning cup of coffee when you wake up and the wifey's brewing a cup of coffee or a pot of coffee and you got the house is filled with that aroma of coffee. It just smells so nice. I would say this is a light to medium consistency. Get it in the hand there. Maybe more of a medium consistency. And that smell is just so good. I'm not gonna put it in the beard because I already have stuff in the beard. Very good smell. You're gonna get that coffee house. It's not too overpowering. It's just right. If you guys are into that coffee scented beard oils, anything coffee scented, you're gonna wanna get your hands on this stuff. It's very nice, very well done. He also sent me his Brady's Brew, which is an IPA. And what I love about this, guys, is these are some different things that I'm used to trying. I usually try like the cologne scents or different, lately I've been getting into the bourbon and the stuff like this. Well, here's an IPA. And when you crack this thing open, it's just like you got a barley and hops field right in your freaking living room, if that's where you're opening it. I'd say it's a very earthy scent. And if I recall right, I think Keith told me that the Brady's Brew is named after his grandfather. So that's very cool. I will say that out of these 3 scents that he sent me, he knocked it out of the park. They're not overpowering. They're exactly what they say they are. Last but not least, we got the cedar leather. Let me just get my nostril in this here. Or both of them. This was almost a cologne scent. Get that in the hand here a little bit. Just take a little deeper dive into it. Yep, I would say it's kind of a cologne scent. I'm picking up more of the leather than I do the cedar, which is kind of nice because if you guys know me, you know I don't care so much for the woodsy scents, but I'm not getting a lot of woodsy scent out of there. It's just a very nice combination. The leather is a very nice, soft kind of leather smell, and it just smells very good. Very nicely done. I love what he's done with the bottles. I love the black label that he's went with. I love that he has put the ingredients on the label. That's something we talked about, I think, in the last review when he was his former company. I called it the coffee house before. I meant the coffee bean. So let's talk about the beard balms that he sent me, guys. He sent me the cedar leather and the coffee bean. Got a 2 ounce container. Ingredients written on there. Nice black label, nice black can. I love it when these beard balms have this ridge. See if you can hear this. I love it when they have that ridge on there because once you get the beard oil on your hands, sometimes it's hard to get that cap off. I don't get as strong of a scent from the beard balm as I do the actual beard oil. You can actually smell the shea butter a little bit more in these. And just to go over the ingredients for you real quick. Shea butter, coconut oil, beeswax, and essential oils. So I mean, you got the shea butter and the beeswax. It's gonna be very good for styling, guys. You can see the consistency here. Not too hard, not too soft. I'd say it's very medium, very easy to get out of the can. Let's see how it breaks down in the hand. Takes just a little bit for it to melt right up in the hands, and there you go. You got that nice glisten right there that we're all used to. And then, you know, you put it in there and you get yourself some good style. I'm not gonna put it in, I already got a bunch of stuff in. Very good stuff. Cedar leather, I would say, is about the same. I'm not getting quite the amount of scent that I get from the actual beard oil itself. I am getting more of that shea butter smell in it, but you can definitely smell it in there, guys. He also sent this burlap sack with it that everything kind of goes in. If you're on the go, you wanna put your products in here. Very nice touch. These little things like this, guys, from these different companies, these little extra things that they put in there, I always think that's just such a nice touch. Very good job, Rinky Dink Beard Care. Once again, I think you're on the right track. I think you're doing a great job. I highly recommend you guys going out and try these. You can't go wrong for $10, especially when you consider that $15 is pretty much the average price for a bottle of beard oil or a can of beard balm out there. You can find Rinky Dink Beard Care on Facebook, or you can go to rinkydinkbeardcare.etsy. That's where his shop is at. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Have you guys tried this? What do you guys think about trying these up and comers? I think it's great. I think the more options that we have in the industry to go out there and try, I think it's just good for everybody. Excellent job, Rinky Dink Beard Care. That's all I got for the review today, guys. You know what I like to say? You gotta be kind to each other. You gotta do what makes you happy. That's it for me. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm out. Peace.